This is a good undertaking ng PSL, and we are so lucky, and I thank the Thai Super League for inviting us. And this is the first official PSL team that will compete in the Thai Super League. First of all, I'd like to thank, of course, the team owners for supporting the selection team. And we have the best players in the PSL. We'll go to Bangkok for this Thai Denmark Super League. And I hope we have the time to practice at least twice a week before departing on March 21.
Honor sa akin yan. Honor sa akin yan dahil siyempre first time mangyari na magkaroon ng PSL International na invitation. Yun, excited ko silang ma-coach yan kasi before nakikita ko lang sila. Madali naman i-handle sila kasi mga professional naman na sila. So wala na siguro ano doon. Ang challenge na lang namin kung paano namin i-blend sila, yung skill nila, ma-maximize yung talent nila para ma-achieve namin yung goal namin.
All the players na kinuha ng coaches, it's either they're all mature and seasoned or the best in their field. So more on gel na lang ang kailangan namin and brushing up on our skills.
Actually, personally, it's my first time to be in International League. Syempre happy and excited kasi lalo na yung mga first time na makakasama ko sa team. Syempre, I'll do my best to give kung ano may makakatulong sa team.
Sobrang nakaka-proud. Syempre, hindi na din ito yung una namin pag-represent ng Philippines, but ito yung unang-unang pag-represent namin ng Philippine Super Liga sa Thailand. Na-excite na kami and sobrang happy naman na maging part ako ng team.
Privilege sa akin na mapasama sa mga all-stars na nalalabas na naman ng bansa. So, talagang sobrang overwhelming.
Hindi mataas masyado yung expectation ko, pero nandun yung hope ko na kahit papaano siguro lalaban kami kasi ito na yung pinaka talentado, magagaling sa larangan ng volleyball dito sa PSL. Why not kapag pinagsama-sama mo yung talent na yun? Malay mo, malay natin, bilog ang bola.
PSL!